Hey everyone, Joe here, and it's been a while since I've done a song cover. So tonight I thought I would do Eyes Closed by Ed Sheeran. The song reminds me of one of my friends who passed away in May of 2017, and I hope you all enjoy it. No, it's a bad idea, but how can I help myself? Been inside for most this year, and I thought a few drinks, they might help. It's been a while, my dear, dealing with the cards I've dealt, still holding back these tears. My friends are somewhere else. Pictured this year a little bit different when it hit February. A step in the bar, it hit me so hard. Oh, how can it be this heavy? Everything changes, everything's changed, and I feel the lump form in my throat. 'Cause I'm here alone, just dancing with my eyes closed. 'Cause everywhere I look, I still see you. And time is moving so slow, and I don't know what else that I can do. So I'll keep dancing with my eyes closed, eyes closed. Delusion is here again, and I think you'll come home soon. Word brings me right back in, and it's only me that's in this room. I guess I can just pretend the colors are more than blue, but I lost more than my friend. I can't help but missing you. Picture this month a little bit different. No one is ever ready, and when it unfolds you get in a hole. Oh, how can it be this heavy? Everything changes, nothing's the same, except the truth is now you're gone, and life just goes on. So I'm dancing with my eyes closed, 'cause everywhere I look I still see you. And time is moving so slow, and I don't know what else that I can do. So I'll keep dancing with my eyes closed, eyes. Oh, I'll keep dancing with my eyes closed, eyes. Oh, I'll keep dancing with my... They're shutting the bar, they're cleaning the floor, and everyone is already home. But I'm on my own. Still dancing with my eyes closed. Everywhere I look, I still see you. And time is moving so slow, I don't know what else that I can do. So I'll keep dancing with my eyes closed, eyes. Oh, I'll keep dancing with my eyes closed, eyes. Oh, I'll keep dancing with my... Thanks, everyone. I apologize if my keyboard progression turned out horrible throughout the song, but I haven't practiced this on a keyboard as much as I wanted to, but thanks for watching.